The future of luxury cars is here, and it's electric. For 2025, luxury EVs are fusing high performance with pure elegance. Think mobile lounges, not just cars. The conversation has shifted. It's not just about speed, but about intelligence, comfort, and sustainability. Today's electric flagships offer silent, instant acceleration and interiors that rival five-star hotels. Brands are combining jaw-dropping power with eco-friendly materials, AI-driven cabins, and charging speeds that seemed impossible just years ago. Luxury is being redefined. It's about the entire experience, not just the badge. Let's dive into the cars leading this revolution. First up, the Lucid Air Sapphire, a sedan that's rewriting the rules. With 1,234 horsepower from a 3-motor setup, it's a family car with hypercar power, 0 to 60 in 1.89 seconds, performance that's both mind-bending and usable, thanks to advanced torque vectoring. Yet, it still manages a 285-mile range, proving you don't have to sacrifice practicality for speed. Inside, Lucid's eco-luxury shines, recycled microfiber textiles, sustainable wood, and a cabin that feels both premium and responsible. The Sapphire isn't just about numbers, it's about thoughtful design and material choice. It's a hypercar disguised as a luxury sedan, balancing performance, range, and sustainability. Lucid sets a new benchmark. No compromise, just pure innovation. This is what happens when electric powertrains are pushed to their limits. The Sapphire is proof that luxury and performance can coexist in the EV era. It's not just a car, it's a statement. The future of high-end motoring is here, and it's electric. Lucid is leading the charge. The bar has been raised. Let's see who's next. Now, from Silicon Valley to old-world luxury, meet the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Rolls-Royce's first all-electric flagship, the Spectre, is a natural evolution for a brand built on silent, effortless power. With 577 horsepower, it glides with authority, prioritizing smooth, endless acceleration over brute force. The Spectre's design is classic Rolls, imposing, elegant, and unmistakable. Range, over 320 miles, enough for any city or country estate visit. But the real magic is inside. The finest leather, wood, and metal, plus the iconic Starlight headliner, now extended to the doors. Customization is limitless. Your Spectre can be as unique as your imagination, and budget allows. This isn't just a car, it's a commissioned work of art, tailored to you. Rolls-Royce proves electrification enhances their core values: silence, craftsmanship, and ultimate comfort. The Spectre is a new kind of luxury, one that's as much about the experience as the engineering. It's not about being the fastest, it's about being the most refined. The pinnacle of motoring has gone electric. Rolls-Royce is setting a new standard for bespoke EV luxury. The future is quiet, and it's spectacular. The Spectre is proof. Let's move on. Next, BMW's i7 M70, where performance meets executive luxury. With 660 horsepower and a 0 to 62 time of 3.7 seconds, it's a limousine with sports car DNA. The i7 M70 boasts up to 388 miles of range, making it ideal for long business trips or chauffeured journeys. But the real story is the interior. A 31-inch 8K theater screen transforms the back seat into a private cinema. Add a Bowers & Wilkins sound system, Sky Lounge LED roof, and reclining merino leather seats. This is a mobile executive suite. BMW's attention to detail and tech integration is unmatched. The i7 is designed to impress, whether you're driving or being driven. It's the boardroom on wheels, electrified. BMW proves heritage brands can pivot to electric without losing their soul. The i7 M70 is bold, luxurious, and future-ready. It's a new vision for performance luxury. The bar keeps rising. Let's see what's next. Now, for those who crave pure speed, enter the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. With up to 1,034 horsepower and a 0-62 time as low as 2.2 seconds, it's Porsche's most powerful production car ever. This is a track weapon you can drive home, setting lap records at Nürburgring and Laguna Seca. Porsche's 800-volt architecture means not just performance, but ultra-fast charging and superior thermal management. Add 150 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Road trips are back on the menu. The Taycan Turbo GT is less about plush interiors, more about driver-focused thrills. It's proof that electrification can elevate, not replace, the sports car experience. Porsche is all in on electric performance. The future of driving excitement is here. The Taycan Turbo GT is for those who want the ultimate electric sports car. No compromises, just pure adrenaline. Porsche sets the pace. The race is on. All this performance depends on one thing, the battery. The next leap, solid-state batteries, set to revolutionize EVs. By replacing liquid electrolytes with solid materials, these batteries promise up to double the energy density. Imagine 700+ miles of range or much lighter, more agile cars. Solid-state tech also means faster charging, longer lifespan, and improved safety. BMW and Lucid are already deep into R&D, with prototypes on the horizon. This isn't science fiction. Major automakers are racing to bring solid-state to market. While mass production is a few years away, the groundwork is being laid now. Solid-state batteries are the holy grail of EV tech. They'll define the next generation of luxury cars. The future is closer than you think. Battery innovation is accelerating. Get ready for the next level. For 2012 and 2025, the big story is ultra-fast charging, thanks to 800-volt architecture. This tech, pioneered by Porsche, is now spreading across the luxury market. Higher voltage means faster charging with less heat and lighter cables. The new benchmark, 10 to 80% charge in under 20 minutes. It's as quick as a coffee stop. Charging becomes a pit stop, not a chore. More 350 kWh chargers are rolling out, closing the gap with gasoline refueling. Luxury EVs now deliver premium performance in every aspect, including charging. The infrastructure and the cars are evolving together. Fast charging is no longer a luxury, it's the new standard. Convenience is catching up to performance. The EV experience just got a lot easier. Luxury EVs aren't just fast, they're smart. AI-driven interiors are transforming the driving experience. Advanced voice assistants understand natural language and anticipate your needs. Massive, intelligent screens, like Mercedes' Hyperscreen, learn your habits and keep your favorite features front and center. The car suggests calls, playlists, or climate settings based on your routine. AI manages everything from navigation to air quality, making the cabin seamless and intuitive. The goal: reduce distractions, automate the small stuff, and let you focus on the drive. Your car becomes a digital concierge, always adapting to you. It's intelligence that disappears into the background. The future of luxury is personalized, proactive, and effortless. The car knows you, sometimes better than you know yourself. The new luxury isn't just about opulence, it's about responsibility. High-end buyers now demand ethical sourcing and sustainable materials. Vegan leathers, recycled fabrics, and responsibly sourced wood are redefining premium interiors. Brands like Polestar and BMW are leading with innovative, eco-friendly materials. Designers are embracing new textures and finishes that feel modern and responsible. Transparency and environmental stewardship are now part of the luxury equation. Buyers want their cars to reflect their values, inside and out. Sustainable luxury is no longer optional, it's expected. The best interiors are as green as they are gorgeous. For the next generation, luxury and sustainability are inseparable. 2025 is the year luxury EVs become the new standard. Performance, technology, and sustainability are converging at a breathtaking pace. Whether you want a track monster, a rolling lounge, or a tech powerhouse, there's an EV for you. These cars have character, soul, and are pushing the industry forward. The innovation is relentless, and we've only scratched the surface. Which model or tech do you want a deep dive on? Let me know in the comments. The future is fast, quiet, and electrifying for car enthusiasts everywhere.